Oh, yours? You gonna do it that way?
Wrap it all up. Put it on the trailer, back in the trailer.
All right, I'm gonna eat the rest of this.
Eat the rest of that?
Chocolate.
It's raw. You can eat that raw.
I'm gonna eat it raw. Look at that. Isn't that sweet?
Oh.
You want some?
No, you eat it. I'll let you do it.
I got it all ready.
Easy. Oh, man, look at that.
Good thing Mom's not here. She would never want to kiss you again.
Are those better than those little ones we had yesterday?
Pretty darn good.
Yeah.
Nice shell.
Yeah.
You're crazy.
Did you get that over there?
Uh-huh.
Or here? Yeah. Because there was a bunch of those.
No, you got this right here.
Right out there on the rock.
Oh, right out here.
You found it laying there. It's a good one. All right, we're going to tidy up and we're going to go to town. Here we have Megan. She's doing the family dishes this morning. Scrubbing them up down there. She's funny. She's standing in a bucket so she doesn't get her feet wet while she's doing the dishes. The birds think she's cleaning fish because they're looking for a hand out there. Let's swing over this way. What do we got here? We got a guy, he's laying there reading a book, and Kirk, he just went for a cruise in the bug. I think he was even driving. And there's Tyler checking out the situation. And here's Megan. Looks like, hey Megan, what are you doing? Huh? You had the duty this morning, huh? There's Mr. Chet. Coming this way.
We went back up to La Gringa.
Did you?
Went around the other side of that point and went out on the rocks. See if there's a place out of the wind.
Was there?
Not really.
No.
Not just as hard up there as it is here. But there is around that last point. You can get up right on the rocks and it drops off real deep. You can probably put a pole out there. Little bait on it.
All right, that
Keep fishing.
sounds good. About ready to head to town?
Whenever.
Go check it out?
Yeah, let's go.
Becky's curling her hair right at the moment.
Oh.
Should be done in a couple minutes.
All right. What are you doing, Kirk? Were you driving that Volkswagen, man?
Yeah, he drove it all the way.
All the way to La Gringa?
Did a good job.
All right.
First and second, did a little backing up, did a little turning around, did a little
Awesome.
clutching.
All right. How'd you like
Did a little
that?
handbrake action.
Huh? Yeah, a little handbrake action. How was that, Kirk?
It was pretty fun.
Better than eating raw clams?
Yeah, lots better, man. It's nasty.
Those clams were good.
They were nasty.
Yeah, we'll cook some more up there. All right. Yeah, look around.
Take a look at this.
What do you see?
Excuse me, purse. Here's a purse. Somebody made a purse. And there's something over here. It's made out of real horsehair. It's a rose. Horsehair.
What is it, Megan?
Horsehair. It's a rose.
Really?
And over here, there's a baby rocket. And a gun. And a bed. There's a bed. What's this? That is a carving of a rabbit. Oh, little baby shoes.
What do you see,
Crazy
Jeffrey?
rabbit.
Jeffrey, what do you see?
Right here is a baby rocker. And this is some kind of box. And these are binoculars. These are all the different. And that's chair. And you guys want to share right here? Yeah. I think these are.
Different sand dollars, puffers, all kinds of stuff. Slipper lobsters, crabs. Sunstar. There's Tyler and Chet and Becky. Ryan, and we're checking out the book. What's up, Chet?
Hey, I'm impressed.
Pretty nice, huh?
There's a freshwater spring.
You see, Megan?
Did you see the satellite map, Jeff?
No.
David, come look at this picture of a fish.
And hermit crab. Scorpions in here.
Remember this? The Stinger. Remember you got
Yeah,
stung
let's
by
see
one?
that. Yeah, that's what got me. And boy, it stung, Megan. That's why we told you to shuffle your feet.
Which one?
Stinger.
Well, that's it, huh? There's venom in there, I guess, huh?
I don't know, but it hurts. I know that.
There's a rattlesnake over here too.
What, Jeffrey?
Is that what kind of barnacle that we got, the little one?
Don't play with it.
These are some boring movies.
No, Tyler, you don't have to watch it. How's that, okay?
Good.
I'm glad you're bored. You guys want to get a souvenir?
No.
You don't want a t-shirt? Jeffrey, you want to get a t-shirt?
Oh, Dad, look at that. One of the marlins.
Oh, yeah. Nothing.
That's poisonous?
No, the tree. There's the museum that we just were in. Volunteers out here. Painting.
Hi.
Hey, everybody.
Had to ride in the back of the truck, but we just...
There's everybody at the taco stand in Bahia de Los Angeles. We're gonna eat us some tacos, manta ray burrito. Should be tasty. Everybody's hungry after going to the museum. We worked up an apple. Go down on the road. You're pulling the boat out. Kids are riding on the boat. Jeffrey, they can bite you.
Don't bite me? Oh, come on, try to bite me. Try to bite me.
They can, let's put it that way. Yeah. Here we are at the turtle stand. Look at him swim, guys. Look at him.
Are you mad at me? I can't believe it. Sarah, get out of the hole right now. Look, David. Sarah, get out. You're supposed to be in. I'm not here.
Wait, Sarah, you're not supposed to be in this
Sarah, you're supposed to be in there.
All right, enough. Aw, poor Sarah.
Oh, Sarah, why are you out?
He's looking at you.
Holly. It says do not touch, but I can touch it if I want. Look at that one. He hasn't breathed for a long time.
No tow car.
Ooh, there's one popping his head up.
Hey, you want to pop your head up?
What do you have?
Yeah, you
Just out of habit.
My cat popped off. Is that one like dead or something? It's
Out of habit.
right in the corner.
Yeah, he's hot. I can't breathe. I think that one's asleep. Oh, look, the baby just breathed. It did.
Cool. Isn't it?
It's like rocks.
Anybody want turtle taco?
Oh yeah, let's go. That's a big one.
I've
Right in the
got it.
head.
Just pop it.
Go for it. Hey, look at that one. He's all like
What's that bug? It looks like it's weird.
that one right there, dude.
You guys are in a helicopter searching for you.
Yeah, Chet and Dave are standing here wondering what that bright light was out there on the island. They figured finally it's the moon coming up. It's about, what time is it?
No useless talking.
No, I don't know.
Work and get this done. Oh, one shot. We're being chased by surveillance cameras. Everybody in the
helicopter out
surveillance cameras.
Tyler, what time is it?
He has his spotlight out.
Tyler, what time is it?
It is 6:45. That's the time?
6:45, and here comes the moon.
The helicopter searching.
Attack! Attack!
You hear the kids yelling in the background. They're down on the beach.
Give me a shovel! Ah! Give me a shovel!
I'm gonna bring it up to your dad. Give him. Oh, oh, that's beautiful.
That's something, isn't it?
That's really beautiful. Coming over the horizon.
I got shoes!
Mm.
Yes, yes, yes! No, you need normal shoe! Yeah, normal shoe. Okay, I'll get down. Rita, Dad said burn your hat. Alright, I just shot the helicopter with the rocket. Attack! Ow! I want to burn my hat. I take care of it.
Not do it in an unsafe way. You've got to wedge it under a
Burn your hat? I'll put some light in there if you can find it.
That's like butter in there. Is there butter?
Hey, borrow some right here. Borrow these. Put it back. Dad, your clams are boiling over. Hurry. Your clams. Look right here.
Take your top off.
Okay, we'll start it.
Oh, but the moon.
Here's your big head.
I'm gonna lift them up there.
Look at those clams. Oh my gosh, it's full.
Is that a pot of clams or what?
That's the second pot too.
Shine the light on, Tyler.
That's a full one.
Yeah, that's a little full on that house.
That's it. That's the last of it, right?
All right, here we are, packed up, and leaving LA Bay. Got RB at the wheel.
Hola.
He's cruising the motor home. Yeah, that's big brother Tyler there hiding. He doesn't want to be on the radio. And who do we got back there? We got Sarah. I don't know who else. Jeffrey. And this is the main road into La Gringa and to the area where we camp. You can see it's a little rocky, but not bad. Pretty good road. And if you look off to the left, that's where we were tubing and fishing, having a good old time. Alright, here we are. We just switched drivers. Now we got Tyler at the wheel. Alright, here we go. We're gonna right here, and we're heading up this other road here. It goes out to the main road. You see Ocotillo is starting to bloom. Next up, Ocotillo's in bloom. Another week down here would be really beautiful, probably. Alright, here we are. This is the main road into the town of Baja de Los Angeles. See out there, there's the lighthouse down there. Sand spit. Here we are. Watch the car come, Tyler. Here we are coming into town. Tyler, what are you doing? Alright, now go that way a little. There's the town down there. There we go, here's the sign. Filtered gasoline, that's where we're headed. We're gonna fill up. Get easy.
There's our little stand.
Alright, here's where we're going, to the gas station right there. Alright, here we are getting gas. Hey Tyler. This is the filtered gasoline station here in LA Bay.
That sign with laundry service and everything.
They got it all, don't they?
And on the road out to Baja de Los Angeles.
Leaving.
Leaving it. And I can get my dad back for getting me. There's him driving. Look at that hair.
Oh yeah.
Yuck.
And he wanted me to film this cactus.
Is that a cow? Yeah. Alright, we got some cattle here on the right hand side around this bend. Ah, look at the rack on that guy.
Adios.
Pepto-Bismol or pink bismuth.
Here we are at Captivina, hiking up the creek. We're on our way to go see the
Look how smooth these rocks are.
Cave
There's
paint.
water working here. Yeah.
Whoa, there goes Meg.
See where it ends down there? It's sucked right down.
RB, remember this when you were little coming here?
Yeah.
I saw that, yeah.
There was a lot more water though.
Jeffrey, you remember coming here when you were little?
I remember swimming in the ponds.
Yep. Catching pollywogs. Be careful, guys. Yeah. Some purple stuff.
Three-sided, bright red.
What's that, Che?
Three-sided, bright red seed pods. Like little paper balloons.
Pretty up here, isn't it?
Yeah.
300 miles from the border. This is what we found. Here's everybody down here.
Boodum trees. Little thing. Look at this. Go right out of the rock.
Alright, I'm going to come up there. Check that guy out. Right out of that rock.
Just growing right up out of it.
Now, what's that you got there? Let's see.
Little seed pod.
I'll be done.
You can see the bush right there. Top of it, right over the top of the rock
Oh,
there.
yeah. Let's see here. Oh, it looks like that same bottle brush type, huh? That's what it came off of?
Came off of that one, but I think that's different than this one. We're looking at the weird flowers.
Look at this cactus growing right out of there too. It even has some blooms on it.
That little tiny thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Check that out.
Yeah.
All kinds of different variety of stuff you see.
We're not in Kansas anymore.
No, we're not.
The ancestors of the communities that knew the missionaries, the Jesuit missionaries. Probably they drew these pictures as observance of this. The figures represented with forms of human forms, humans, possible themselves, Yeah, possibly by themselves in figures, geometric figures. I don't know, por la ubicación, I don't know what that is.
At this site, Saya, there is
Come on, Corinne.
an importance.
It's important to
That-
have.
I don't know what cotidiano is.
Marina,
It's an important religious site. in
siendo
some way.
el lugar donde lo mágico, religioso,
Is that right, Rena?
entraba,
Testing the guy's
entraba in communion with the visitors. Be careful and conserve it. Conservarlo. Where are they? Are they up underneath there?
Under that.
There's where we park.
Dad, aren't there more around there?
No.
Is this the only ones? Under here?
Yeah.
Cool.
What's the street?
This is awesome. You can see the fire where the fire is black from the ceiling.
You could, Megan's like, what does this mean? And Renee like, see, once upon a time there was a Goldilocks, and she had a grandmother, and see the three
Well,
pigs.
you can see where they always built their fire on this side, looks like. Because there's their chimney. Wow. Look at this, look at these. This is awesome. There's no date on that sign. I wonder what said the Jesuit priests, so that would have been the
1800s.
16.
What?
No, because the first mission in California was after these were founded. And the first mission in California was in the early 1700s. The Jesuit missionaries actually came up Baja, California with Junipero Serra. They did Baja first. That mission, did you see a picture of San Juan Borja at the museum in LA Bay? Got a picture of that mission there?
Oh,
that I was telling you about?
No, I didn't see it.
Yeah, there's a photograph of it.
Hello. Dad, where did you say they made the fire?
Over here.
Right here.